Hello everyone. We are going to talk today about level 4 subject marketing. Marketing fundamental. The code of this subject is BMM4422. We will complete this session within 7 to 8 weeks. Today this is first lesson and we are going to talk about the nature of marketing. Today we will talk about what is marketing, how marketing has been developed, how marketing relates to business performance, and then we will talk about the scope of marketing. First of all, we will talk about what is marketing. Marketing basically plays a key role in the success of virtually all organizations. Few years ago, like 1 century ago, the concept of marketing was different, but now this concept has been developed and every company is trying to focus on marketing because they want to grab maximum shares in the market. Every company is trying to focus on different marketing strategies. They want to increase their sale. They want to get a competitive advantage within the industry. So every company is trying to make a new strategy to implement that strategy, and they can benefit the competitive advantage within the industry. So basically, marketing is all about promoting products or customers. Marketing includes advertising, selling, delivering product to customers or other businesses. So, as I discussed, marketing is all about advertising. Companies they advertise their product or their services to attract customers more and more. They advertise for customer for advertisement for product or service for selling to increase their sale as well and to deliver their product to the consumer. The modern marketing concept requires a focus on customer satisfaction. In this era, every company is trying to satisfy their customer. The reason is everyone is trying to grab customers, everyone is trying to retain their customers. One customer is happy, one customer is satisfied, then he will be loyal with your company, with your brand. So he will be able to buy product or service every time from your company. An integrated effort throughout the whole organization or company. This marketing term is also used for throughout. This is an integrated effort which has been done by the management, by the marketers throughout the company, throughout the whole organization to achieve their goals or objective, and that is to increase their sale. It is believed that corporate or organizational goals can be achieved through customer satisfaction. Yes, it can be achieved if the customer is satisfied. If the customer is happy with your product or service, he will be loyal towards your brand. So he will be retained towards your product or service. Customer concept, the marketing concept, the achievement of corporate goals by meeting and exceeding customers' need better than the competition. So, what we can say here, customer marketing concept is based on customer orientation, where corporate activities are focused upon providing customers satisfaction. In customers orientation, marketers, the management, they are trying to focus on customers satisfaction, what they want basically. Number two is integrated effort. All staff, all employees, they accept the responsibility for creating customers satisfaction. And number three is goal achievement. The belief that corporate goals can be achieved through customer satisfaction. As I discussed, it is a whole process. It is a whole process by the corporate that through customer satisfaction, they can achieve their targets, they can achieve their goals and objectives. So it is all about customer satisfaction, customer orientation, integrated effort, and goal achievements. These are three main concepts. Here we can see different companies, they use advertising for different prospects based on their strategies. They use different marketing promotion marketings, and they advertise accordingly. Then here we can see there is a message, a hidden message in these smoothies, innocent smoothies. We can see here, and what was labeled innocent is highlighting a tangible benefit of its product to potential consumers. That is healthy ingredients. So every company, they basically they advertise their product or service, and if product is tangible, definitely yes. Then they offer they basically they present a different benefits to attract customers. Then here in this case, smoothies, they explain that this is the healthy product. We have used different healthy ingredients, so everyone basically they will attract toward this drink. Then we can see innocent outlines that ingredients of their product contribute to customers' health requirement by providing 2 of their 5 a day. They also explain that innocents are conveying this tangible benefit in order to effectively position themselves within the healthy drink sector. So basically, this company is trying to attract customers, and they are trying to explain that this is healthy drink for everyone. The ingredients we have used, those are very healthy for everyone. You can have it if you can have it for a day, within a day, then you will enjoy it. How to create customer satisfaction? It is not enough to simply match performance and expectations. Expectations need to be exceeded so that customers are delighted with the outcome to ensure commercial successful. Yes, this is the more important is we must satisfy the customers. So the question raised that how we can create customer satisfaction. So we will discuss now here. There are different forms of customers value, how we can value our customers. In terms of price, if we're talking about, then the price we should keep in mind, it should be more like it should be, so this price should be more compatible, and the performance of performance, it must be more friendly. If your performance of your product, performance of your delivering of product, it must be satisfying to your customers. It creates value basically. Then emotional. Then the number 4 is relational. So the communication towards your customer is more important as well. If you want to satisfy your customer, you must get the feedback from the customer. How marketing evolved. So basically, here we will talk about how marketing basically developed, the term of marketing developed. So initially, years and years ago, it basically start with the production. We discussed, the companies basically, they focused on the production of their products. They tried to increase their production to minimize their minimize their cost. So this concept was basically start with the production, to how we can produce maximum product to minimize our cost. Production orientation basically is a view. It's all about the organizational success, how we can get production efficiency, how we can get maximum production efficiency by getting the lowest cost of how much we can, how much we can reduce the cost. Then number 2 is sale. It is also previously companies they used to increase their sale. So they tried to market their product. So it was another idea to increase their sale. They started the marketing of their product and services. Then another type is customer, to grab maximum customers. Companies they start marketing their products to grab maximum customers. And then societal and the relationship marketing. This is the most recent marketing term where companies they communicate to the customer to retain them, to make them satisfied, and to keep them loyal. So this is the most recent marketing strategy kind of. Marketing versus internally driven businesses. In this slide, you can see marketing driven focus on basically customers' need, what customers they would like to have in product or service. So one way of marketing driven is that they continuously focus on customers' needs and demands, and then once they receive feedback, they accordingly they modify, they prepare, they launch a product. Then internally driven focus on convenience and staying the same. That means how conveniently we are producing product and we are delivering it, we are maintaining our quality. These are internally driven basically forces, things we should keep in mind. Or companies they basically they're trying to maintain their qualities under internally driven subject. Marketing mix is the most important in marketing, which is also known as 4Ps or marketing concept. In marketing mix, we have 4Ps: product, price, place, and promotion. We talk about product first. What type of product we are going to offer to the market? In price, we will see what price we will offer to the customers. Place, at which place we will offer that product. And the promotion, what type of promotion, what type of deals we will offer to our customers to retain them, to keep them. So these are main marketing 4Ps. These companies they're using different strategies based on these 4Ps. An effective marketing mix. All companies they try to keep their customers more happy, more satisfied, so they make different strategies. Here, if we can see 4 different Ps, and in this slide we can see an effective marketing mix, how we can make an effective marketing strategy, marketing mix. We can see here matches customers' need. First of all, every company they try to find out to match their customers' need, what basically their customers want. Then we create a competitive advantage. Every company they try to create a competitive advantage. So based on this competitive advantage, they will be able to enjoy the market shares. They will be able to increase their sale to get maximum profit within the industry, within the market. Then number 3 is matches corporate resources. Under this, every company they basically launch a product based on their financial or human or technological resources. So they produce their product or they launch their product based on their corporate resources. And each and everything, it should be well balanced. These 4 P's must be balanced, based on which this product or service will be successful in the market. Again, we can see here marketing mix. There are 4 P's: product, price, promotion, and price. So each element is a controllable variable which has to be managed to meet the needs of defined target group. All elements are linked and support each other. So we can say product, price, promotion, and and place. These all 4 elements are interconnected with each other. Here we can see all these 4 P's are helpful to find the target market. These 4 P's are very helpful to select the target market as well. So based on these 4 P's, we select the market and then we run our business. So these 4 P's are interconnected, are coordinated with each other. So based on, once again, I would like to add that these 4 P's are more important. Based on these 4 P's, we select basically the target market. First of all, we will talk about product. First P of marketing mix is product. What type of product we are going to offer to the market? So we have to keep in mind the product decision. We have to know about the branding. We should talk about the quality, what type of quality we will maintain or we will offer to our customers. Then features, what type of features, what type of characteristics we will add to our product and offer to the customers. So these 3 elements are main elements. Based on these elements, we decide what type of product we will offer to the market, to the customers. Number 2, place. Place is second P of marketing mix. In place, we see that at which place we will offer our product to the customer. Either we can see here, we will use our direct marketing. Just like we can see here, we have many examples. British Telecom, they are doing direct marketing and they are providing their service directly to the customer. Secondly, we can see there's a Nissan company. They have a retailer, and from retailer, all customers, they can get their cars from this retailer. So then we can see Delmont here. They have a wholesaler. From wholesaler to retailer, they ship their products, and from retailer to customers, we get our product. Then Procter and Gamble, they have 3 channels of distribution from their production plant to wholesaler, then wholesaler to another wholesaler or retailer. Then from retailer to we get basically product from the retailer from here. So basically at place, we talk about how many mode of channels we will use to distribute our product basically, and at which place we will offer our product. The most important element of the marketing mix is price. At what price we will offer our product. When companies, they are launching a new product, they very carefully think about the pricing strategy. What type of price they will offer to the customers. There are different strategies. Based on that strategy, a company decide and offer that price to the market. Number 1, we will talk about price penetration. Price penetration means at start, companies, they set a price at a very low level. then rapidly they increase with the passage of time. Number two, price skimming. Price skimming is, at first, companies set their price at a very high level, and then with the passage of time, they reduce their prices. It depends basically what type of company is maintaining or setting strategy. Number three, price competition. So price competition, we set basically a price at a very low level based on competitors' price. So if any competitor is following any other competitor, like if anyone is selling a pen for £2, so based on this price, our company will sell this price lower than £2. The fourth price strategy is product line. So product line is based on each product or service we make it. So we set price accordingly. Then price bundle. Price bundle is a combination of several product or services into a single comprehensive package. So based on this package, we set a price and then we sell this product to the customers. Number six, and the last one, is price psychological. Price psychological means pricing psychological means a marketing pricing strategy where prices are expressed in a way that appeal more attractive to the customers. For example, some companies, they reduce their price just like 1.99, £1.99 to attract customers. They reduce 1p, and they are showing off that we have reduced our price. And basically they are trying to make a psychological effect to the customers. So that's why they reduce 1p and they offer that price. So basically price, it depends what type of pricing strategy company is using or company is going to follow. So based on this strategy, company set this price. Chapter summary, what we discuss, let's cover right now. The marketing concept and marketing orientation is a business philosophy that puts the customers at the center of things. Customers' value is the difference between perceived benefit and perceived sacrifices involved in the consuming a product or service. Customer value is delivered through the marketing mix. There is a strong relationship between the marketing philosophy and the business performance. The scope of marketing is a broad, involving business and non-business context. So in this chapter, what we learned is every company is trying to basically focus on marketing strategy, what type of marketing strategy we are going to offer, what price we will set, what product we are going to offer, and at what place, as I discussed in the marketing mix. So this was basically the first lecture. We will cover many more things in next lectures. Thank you very much.